Principles and practices of banking. Bill discounting is done by banks in case of only after site usance bills. Fixed deposit is characterized by fixed or floating interest rate as per customer request. Fixed period of deposit, periodical repayment of interest. Fixed deposits cannot be transferred to third parties. Consumer Protection Act is created by Government of India to address to the grievances of various consumers. This mechanism operates from central, state and district levels. ATMs are typically deployed by banks for retail banking. MACR contains 9 digits. Guarantee is an example of non-fund based credit facility. KYC means know your customer. Future of RTGS are instruction processing, settlement processing and liquidity management. Working capital credit facilities are intended to meet the borrower's short-term capital credit requests. Mr. A has given his residential building in mortgage to a bank for housing loan. As he has defaulted for payment of income tax, the income tax authorities sold the building for recovering the dues. In this case, both bank and income tax department can have pro rata claim. A collaborative network that uses internet technology to link business with their suppliers is extranet. ISDN, Integrated Services Digital Network. Bank has the right to close the account if the customer doesn't maintain the balance after serving notice and close after the expiry date of notice. Smart card is a microprocessor card. Cash credit facility is granted by banks to finance borrowers like investors or stocks of goods and fixed assets. SWIFT handles customer transfer, financial institution transfer, documentary credits, and precious metals. When a bank wants to lend against immovable property to a partnership firm, the search is required to be carried out in the records of Register of Assurances. A customer is recognized by his signature. NPA, Non-Performing Assets. DRT Act, Recovery of Debt Due to Banks and Financial Institutions. Banks are generally engaged in the financial leasing activity. Overdraft account refers to draw over and above the credit balance in the account. EMI, Equated Monthly Installment. Documents of title to goods include railway receipt, motor receipt, and bill of lading. RTGS, Real-Time Gross Settlement. CAR is capital required to be brought in by a bank in relation to its risk-weighted assets. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. KYC guidelines are intended to establish identity with residence proof of the customers, prevent fictitious or benami transaction, protect the bank from the risk of not acting in good faith. Overdraft is allowed generally in current account. Recurring deposit account requires the customer to deposit a fixed amount at specified intervals for a specified period. A bank accepts deposit from number of all classes of the society irrespective of income levels. An actionable claim is assigned in favor of more than one assignee at different points of time. The priority of charge is determined with reference to the dates of the execution of the written instrument for assignment. Bank deposits are preferred by customers because of its safety and liquidity of capital. Checkbook facility is provided to deposit customers by commercial banks. A full-fledged ATM can offer services of cash dispensing, deposits of cash or checks, utility payments like telephone bills, electricity bills, etc. Telebanking provides the banking facilities to customers such as request for checkbook, request for cash withdrawal, request for lending, loan request, deposit. Banks have to maintain obtain license for opening branches from RBI. In banking transaction, a customer is recognized by his signature on record with the bank. LC, letter of credit. It is a funding facility. PIN, personal identification number. MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. ABC Bank Limited filed a suit exclusively against the guarantor and did not opt to proceed against the borrower. In this case, the bank has no right to proceed against the guarantor without concurrently proceeding against the borrower. Automated clearing is the process in which the physical movement of checks within or between banks and clearinghouse is curtailed or eliminated and replaced by electronic records of their content for further processing or transmission. In a bank guarantee issued to a customer, bank assumes the role of guarantee. WAN Wide Area Network. IRDA Insurance Regulatory. CIBIL is an organization which is engaged collecting and maintaining credit record of both individual and business customers for the benefit of the banks. ECGC Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. FII invest in capital markets and FDI invest in industries. FILO First in Last Out.